Good afternoon, everybody. We are back. We are having a great afternoon. And we are, 46 degrees and cloudy outside today. I got to shave sometime soon. I'm looking at my face right now. I got nothing but hair all over my face. It's nuts. We got Notos first in the chat. What's going on, Notos? We got Kenneth second in the chat. Tim, Moji, Notos, Kenneth, Notos, Moji, Tim, Moji. We got Kenneth, Tim, Outdoor Smile, Tim, Kenneth, Gary, Outdoor, Kenneth, Notos, Moji, Kenneth, Moji, Tim, Nick F. Good afternoon to you, Nick F. We got Gary, we got Kenneth, Moji, Kenneth, Tim, Kenneth, Moji, Gary, Kenneth, Moji, Kenneth, Tim, Kenneth, Moji, Gary, Darkbro, Gary, Tim, Darkbro, Notos, Darkbro, Notos, Darkbro, Gary, Kenneth, Notos, Darkbro, Gary, Darkbro, Tim, Waverly Jones, what's going on, man? We got Darkbro, James Taylor, hello to you. Darkbro, Gary, Darkbro, Gary, DDT 2024, we got Darkbro, Tim, Darkbro, Waverly, Gary, Russell, Geoped, Vendor, DDT 2024, all of you guys, so glad to have you. I'm telling you right now, man, let me see, you know what? There, alright, that's the light that I had it on before. Must have switched that. I had some hot sauce in between the live streams, and my mouth is on fire right now. Crazy. Good, but crazy. Let's check the market out, see what we got going on today. Whoop! That's not the market right there. What are we doing with that nonsense? We got AMC at the top left-hand side of the screen, finishing the day at 622. It is up 0.89% on the day today. Shiba Inu coin sitting pretty much steady on the day today. 1061 at the moment, down 2.5%. GameStop 1807 at the close, down 1.66%. Bitcoin sitting at 42,500, bouncing back about $100 over the last couple of minutes there. $42,545, down 1.84% on the day. Two very strong green candles coming on the chart. Nasdaq finished just slightly lower today, selling off into the close, 0.03% loss. Dogecoin 9.1 cents. Ethereum $2,300, 23.53. Don't get nervous if it's just 23 flat. Shiba Inu coin 1062, Bitcoin 42,558, the SPY 476.72, QQQ closing just slightly lower today, 0.05% lower. Mullen Auto 1412, up 28% on the day today. It's actually bouncing back pretty nice. Sundial sitting at $1.64, Netflix 490, Highcroft 274, MPW 508. Tesla sitting at 253, man. Tesla falling off pretty hard, 3% loss today. Amazon sitting at $153, Apple sitting at $193, and it is bouncing back up into after hours trading at the moment there. We're going to keep our eyes on Bitcoin in the bottom left-hand side of the screen, though. Make sure anything goes on, we are going to be watching it happen. Ooh, worse than the gummy bear? No, dude, nothing was worse than that gummy bear. Dude, that gummy bear literally upset my stomach for like 24 hours. That gummy bear was insane. But it is some Scotch bonnet hot sauce, and apparently Scotch bonnets are hot. So, yes, it was a very warm experience. Let's put it that way. Gary, I don't want my merch to catch a disease. Nobody would, man. What do we got here? Someone needs to beatbox under the names. Claybro is calling out. Yeah, somebody beatbox that, but I don't know how we're going to integrate that into the intro there. Can Kyrie hit $1 to $10 in a bull market? Russell, let's take a look at it, because I forget what the market cap is. So I need to know before I go through all of this, simple question, would you buy honorarium merch? Go. Dark bro, maybe if honorarium merch came with like 100,000 honorarium, that might be something to make people want to buy it even more. I don't know if that's the case, or if that's even possible or not. Trying like a madman to figure out how to buy honorarium on PancakeSwap. I linked my Coinbase wallet, but don't know what I'm doing. Well, you know what? I don't have a wallet linked up here, but let's see. Let me see if I can do that. So, Russell, I'm going to pull up Kybria so you guys can see it on, or Cybria, whatever it is, however you say that. I'm going to pull up Cybria so you guys can see that right here. We're going to be talking about that, but I want to see if I can pull up the PancakeSwap thing. All right, got that. Man, Bitcoin throwing those greens, looking good right now. 12 million. You said $1? Yeah. $1. So let's see. $1 from here is basically a 100x gain. which would be a $1.2 billion market cap. 10x gain is going to get you to 120 million. 100x gain is going to get you to a 1.2 billion. Now, I don't know what these guys do. Okay, I don't know, but meme coins, even if this is not a meme coin, right? Meme coins can, yes, hit well over $1 billion valuation. Shiba Inu coin, 40, 50 billion. Dogecoin, same deal. Pepe, Bonk, all these other little meme coins hitting well above $1 billion valuation. $1.2 billion valuation takes you around $1.40. So the answer is yes, it can reach that level. If you're asking, will it reach that level? I mean, that's a completely different question. Obviously, it's going to need much, much higher volume than it has, and it's going to need a lot of people buying in and a lot of money buying into it to increase from 12 million to 1.2 billion dollars in value. So, yeah, the answer is yes, man, it can. Let's, I want to see something. Let's see what we got here. All right, I'm not connecting a wallet, but let's see if I can pull up their swap page. All right, so this shouldn't be that bad, actually. Let's see here. Honorarium token contract address right here. This is the exchange. So you would have BNB in your wallet. Let me... Okay. Okay. Import. Right there. I understand. Okay, so I'm going to show you this again in case you guys missed what I just did here. Okay? You've got... If you want to buy it, and please no, I'm not telling you guys go out and buy Honorarium, but this literally goes for any cryptocurrency on these little exchanges. Okay? I can't actually go through with it. I don't have any wallets hooked up to this computer in case some of you guys are insane and try to hack me or anything like that. Not happening. So let me just show you guys real quick. Buy some Honor, and I'm not doing anything right now, right? Let me just show you though. So PancakeSwap, you got that open right here. Easiest way to find the Honorarium contract address is either come out to BSC scan, copy it right here. You can go to Dex Tools, right? You can type in HRM, find Honorarium. This is the chart. We have seen this chart plenty of times now. We know this chart. And you can come over here. This is, this is the contract address right here. You're simply going to copy it here. If you don't like Dex Tools, you can come out to CoinMarketCap here. You can type in Honorarium. Honorarium is going to show up in this Dex Tools pair right here. Okay, where's the address on this page? Let's see if I can find. Right here, down here. So on the bottom left-hand side of the screen here, to the left of the chart, you can come out here and copy the address. So once you have the address and you open up PancakeSwap, now you can open it on your computer if you want, or you can open all of this stuff through MetaMask or through Trust Wallet. It's just an app within Trust Wallet. It's an app within MetaMask that you can easily open to. Now, the same way that I would have to connect my wallet on the computer here is the same way you're going to have to connect your wallet on Trust Wallet, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, and so on. So once you connect your wallet, I don't have a wallet connected, so I'm not going to be able to make this swap. Once you connect your wallet, you're simply going to come down here, buy it with BNB, right, or Binance Smart Chain Coin. And you're gonna take this, and you don't want to buy cake. So you're gonna come in here, and instead of typing in Honorarium, I don't know if it'll pull up. You're gonna paste that contract address in there, right there. It says Honorarium. You want to import it. Unknown source. You're gonna see this basically with every single one of these new little tokens and so on. You understand that it is a risk. Right, you get it. Dark Bro could rug us all if Dark Bro wants to rug us all. I mean, he can't rug us right now because the liquidity pool is locked. Can't change the taxes. It doesn't allow it in that contract. So you would simply import it from here. All right, failed to load the price for this pair. All right, I get it. He still doesn't have like CoinMarketCap listing and any of that stuff. What you're going to do is type in however much BNB you want, and you would go out there. If you have one Binance Smart Chain coin ready to trade over, you can type in that one. What that's going to do, apparently BNB is trading at $326 per coin today. For one BNB, you're going to get 2,762,000. No, what is this? 27,624,053 honorarium. Excellent. If you wanted to make that happen, slippage tolerance at 0.5% is probably too low. You go in there with a purchase, the price is going to move, right? Can you guys see that? Hold on. Let me get off the screen for a second. Slippage tolerance down here. You guys can see that. Dark Bro, I don't know what you're recommending people use in terms of slippage tolerance, but 0.5%, you're probably going to be affecting, unless you're buying like $5, $10, you're probably going to be affecting the price since it is such a low market cap. You're going to need to come in here and click that little pencil next to slippage tolerance so that you can edit it. And you're going to come in here and change it to whatever you want, okay? 1% still might be too low. I don't know if you guys are going 10%, if you guys are going 5%, or what you're going in terms of slippage there. After you do that, I mean, you can close that out. You got your slippage tolerance set. I cannot click buy or swap, whatever the button says, because my wallet's not connected. But you would simply come down here to the bottom of the screen, and you would click swap or buy or whatever that button does say there once it's connected. So it should be a fairly easy tutorial, and it doesn't have to be honorarium, right? You guys can come out here, and let's see, this is a BNB chain, right? This coin is getting a lot of attention today on BNB chain. I don't even know what this is, right? What is this coin? Ultron. No idea what Ultron is. But the same deal for Ultron. You could copy the address, and you guys can see that I copied that address over on the left-hand side of the screen right here, right? This area right here. I simply clicked copy address. You come over to PancakeSwap. From PancakeSwap, you're going to come in. You're going to paste that address right here. And what is this? Ultron coin. No idea what it is. I'm just showing you another example of how that you guys can swap this. You would import that, okay? You understand that it is a risk, all of this. Anybody can create tokens. You got to make sure it's the right one, blah, blah, blah. You could get rugged. You could get scammed, all of that. You import it over here, and from here, 1 BNB is going to get you 2,660 Ultron, I think it's called. So if your wallet was connected, you can move this slippage around if you want. If you want to guarantee yourself some coin there, whatever, you can move it to 5%. You can move it to 10%. To leave it down at 0.5%. I don't actually know what the market cap was on this, so I don't know if you're going to be moving the price too much by buying or selling. But there you go on that one. You could swap 1 BNB for 2,660 Ultron. What is it called? Ultron coin. So, fairly simple tutorial of how you can use PancakeSwap. People have been performing swaps with around 3 to 5% effectively on even larger transactions. All right, 3%. Roulette wheel did 3%. Perfect. So, shouldn't be that hard then if you guys want to hit 3%. Now, let me tell you this, right? I'm still here. You guys can see me. So, if you come in here, and it's not bad on Binance Smart Chain coins, right? So, the gas fees are usually very low. You might pay like 25 cents. You might pay 50 cents. I don't know what the gas fees are right now. But let's say you do put a slippage tolerance of just 1% in there. And let's say you go in there and you do have a rather large purchase. I don't know, $1,000 or whatever would make it move. Let's say that moves the price by more than 1%. Your transaction should fail. And at that point, because you didn't allow yourself enough slippage, the price slipped by more than you wanted it to before your transaction was able to go through, it's going to fail your transaction. You're going to lose your gas, but you're not going to lose your money because the transaction is going to fail there. So, yeah, please just keep that in mind if you guys are looking at slippage and moving it around. Seemingly, they say 3% is working. If you guys are somehow or some reason buying in with a lot of money, then you guys could up it to 5% and so on. Just be aware. That's how you're going to buy anything on PancakeSwap that you want to buy on PancakeSwap. Let's see. Dark Bro, how about I make my Happy Bacon available only with honorarium as payment? I don't know what kind of Happy Bacon we got, Tim, but it sounds like I need some. $9. I can buy maybe 10. Gary, Milky Way Zone. He's talking about Milky. He's talking about a different coin. Happy Bacon. Give some to my ex. What now? What is happening? DDT 2020. You want to give some bacon to your wife? Cybria mainnet live in 3 days. Very nice, Russell. Yeah, Cybria is still doing very well. Let's pull that back up and see where we're at there. I know I got a little sidetracked with that honorarium, but Cybria, yeah, sitting at 1.4 cents there, doing very nice, up 10% on the day today. And where's it at? Doing phenomenally. My goodness. Doing phenomenally since December 12th, man. Look at this. 3 zeros and a 3 to 1.4 cents. Cybria has absolutely taken off, man. That is wild to see those types of gains right there. So, yeah, Cybria is doing very well. I mean, I hope it continues to do well and pushes up to some new highs. $12 million, it is much, much higher than where it was 2 weeks ago, but it is still a very low market cap coin with a lot of potential. Let's see. From the Crypto Kings, they do a show on X weekly to promote small upcoming projects like yours for exposure. Just figured I'd mention it, brother. Very nice, Jacob. Appreciate that, Jacob. Yeah, I've actually been in his space a few other times. Very good, dude. I am down with Tim's idea. Everybody likes that idea. I like the Ethereum network more than BNB. I think it's simpler. Yeah, roulette wheel. I don't know. I don't think it's, I mean, to me, I don't know if it's that much simpler or not. But whatever works best for you guys. I don't think that there's that much involved with PancakeSwap there. All right, Milky Way Zone. Giovanni, I know you were asking about that earlier, and you brought it right back. And Gary was talking about Milky Way Zone as well. So let's pull that up here, because I don't know anything about it, but we can see what's going on with Milky Way Zone. Milky Way. All right, Milky Way Zone right here. Gee, many Christmas. 188% today. Yikes, dude. Going from $3. Wow, this is tiny. This is a tiny market cap. This is honorarium level market cap, guys. This is honorarium market cap level here. $124,000 for Milky Way Zone. $120,000 for honorarium. So, yeah, we're ripping up from $3 to $9 today. Okay, we just came out. We just came out here. Just got listed. You know what? Let's see actually where we are. Let's see how old this token really is. Smokes, man. All right, I don't know why the sudden interest. Gee, many Christmas. The best thing that I could say here, okay, is this token was absolutely worthless here at $1, and then even lower, sitting at 99 cents, $1. All right, this token basically doing nothing way down here. And then today, ripping up to $9 per coin. The only catalyst that I know about is the fact that it was listed on CoinMarketCap. Gets listed on CoinMarketCap and rips up to $9. Dude, I mean, I don't know what they got going on, what they're doing. It's still a crazy low market cap. They got a good locked liquidity pool. I mean, that is important, that the liquidity pool is locked there. Somehow they already have 5,800 holders. I mean, that's kind of crazy. But CoinMarketCap, man. CoinMarketCap is probably driving those gains. And could you imagine, dude, if honorarium gets listed on CoinMarketCap and it has some sort of a gain like that there? That would be wild, man. That'd be wild. So, yeah, very similar in price there. to honorarium. But like I say, I don't know what they're doing. I don't know what they got going on. I just know that gain is probably correlated to the coin market cap listing. Only 1 million tokens, Clay wrote, in Milky Way. Well, dang, dude, they're already at a... Oh, they don't have all of those tokens listed then, do they? Okay, if they get 1 million tokens, man, this is kind of weird. I'm glad you brought that up, Gary. Because with a $124,000 market cap, which is what it was showing on Dex Tools as well, only 15,000, okay? Only 15,000 Milky Way are currently in circulation. Be careful. If this is true and only 1.5% of all of the coins are circulating, they could absolutely dilute the snot out of you by about 100x. And this $9 could turn into 9 cents very quickly. So that would be my main concern. I have no idea where the other 98.5% of the coins are sitting. Watch out for that. That's the only, like, it doesn't make any sense that only 1% in circulation right now. It's just a concern. I have no idea where they are. I don't know if there's any bad or good intentions with them. It's just something that's strange when only 1% of your coins are in circulation. That's like, what is it, WorldCoin? I was getting a lot of attention a while ago. This one. This one here. Yeah, 1% of the coins are in circulation. Look at the graph here. It's still doing pretty well to come up from October and jump all the way up to $4.50 here. The overall crypto market is doing well. The overall WorldCoin is doing well. But only 1% in existence, man. As soon as they start to add more and more and more of these coins into the mix, I'd be very skeptical about some dilution there. So, yeah, that's my only, I guess, drawback right now. Let's see, honorarium as the bros believing in buying it. Heck yeah, roulette wheel. That's why I keep saying we need to get on CoinMarketCap, study the trends, and they always explode once they get there. And then you got a bunch of randoms buying, Dark Bro. Okay, it is very important to note. I know you guys do have a lot of bros buying. It's a lot of personal people you know buying, and they are willing to hold. You got to differentiate. If you get listed on CoinMarketCap, you're going to have a bunch of people come in, potentially pump it up, and then dump it off. That is going to be hard to handle. So I don't know how you guys are going to want to play that. If they come in and pump it off or pump it up, know that one of two things is going to happen. Either if you're buying more, you're probably going to be their exit liquidity, or they're going to be your exit liquidity. So just please be aware that if it does get listed on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, you're probably going to see a nice spike in price. But I would be skeptical about them. They're not going to be committed to honorarium. They're not going to be bros. They're going to be completely random people buying into the coin. To vote for honorarium to be listed on CoinMarketCap because I don't want to pay the $5,000 fee, but at this rate, I believe that we would eat that fee in no time. You very well could eat that fee in no time, but you would have to take advantage of it, man. Yes, your market cap would probably grow by much more than $5,000, but those people, they come in, they buy, and then they leave. What's up, Clay and fellow bros? Hope you all had a great Christmas. Been stuck working. Oh, man. Well, hopefully you're ripping some pretty good overtime pay there, Brian, because nobody wants to be working overtime in between Christmas and New Year. Everybody always wants to take that time to relax and use it as kind of some downtime. So hopefully everything's good there, Brian. And I did. I had a great Christmas, man. Dark Bro, we could eat that fee. Clay Bro does a couple of videos on honorarium. Very well could, but I don't know if you actually would, man. My one-off videos, they never perform nearly as well as any of the other videos I do. Clay Bro, give Dark Bro a discount and do a video on honorarium. It would be nice, wouldn't it? Yes, that's a risk. It's a calculated one, but I'm willing to take it. Dude, Dark Bro is a risk taker. You gotta admit, man. Dark Bro willing to take a chance. Even creating honorarium in the first place is awesome. It's gonna click 50 million honorarium to do a video, but I don't want to seem like I'm paying anyone off. And dude, No, you don't need to pay me 50 million honorarium to do a video or anything like that. You've collected 1,000 of honorarium, and in return, he cannot mention any other coin except honorarium for 30 days. A whole month of nothing but honorarium and super stickers. Yay. Oh, God, dude. Oh, man. Well, it would be more than the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team ever paid me, so let's get started. Are you making an yeah, I don't know if I will or not. DDT 2024. I don't know if I will or not, man. From what I see, a lot of people here have honorarium. DDT 2024, man. From what you see, a lot of people, probably 30 people in here, have honorarium. A lot of people supporting and a lot of people buying, absolutely. An honorarium, dude, all afternoon long. I think Tim may have been the last purchase there. Ooh, somebody just sold. Somebody sold this. No, that was another bot. All right, these bots, man. They come. Dude, your bots, Dark Bro, these bots aren't even making any money off of you anymore. I remember when they were making like $3 a trade. This dude right here, this bot only made 84 cents. This bot bought at $98.05 and sold at $98.89. Hey, he sold less than he bought, though. Dark Bro, it seems as though your bots are now accumulating honorarium for themselves. Very interesting. Dark Bro, this bot... Yeah, look at this. Dark Bro, this bot here made $2. Just under $2. They bought 8.8 million and only sold 8.4 million. Made $2 and kept roughly 400,000 honorarium. Here, they bought 8.9 and let's see. That's his wallet address, right? What is this? 0172. I want to see how much this bot's sitting on. I don't even see that bot as a holder. Yeah, I don't know. I don't even see this bot as a holder here, man. But this bot is buying and selling honorarium, and he's like keeping amount of honorarium. He bought 8.9 million, and he sold 8.5 million. This bot's holding on to some honorarium there, but I don't know why I can't see him as a holder. Very strange. Bot transaction now are nothing compared to what they used to be. Yeah, I know. It's kind of crazy, man. And it seems like they're accumulating as well. They're there for the long run. Roulette wheel! Thank you very much for the water. Thank you very much for the coffee. Thank you very much for the hydration, roulette wheel. Oh, yeah. Roulette wheel. Absolutely beautiful, my friend. Thank you very much for the authorized hydration. Much needed, roulette wheel. Much needed. No idea why my camera is glitching the way that it is right now. Very sorry about that. Hopefully the audio is not glitching right now. But the camera doesn't seem to be working as well as it could be. Let's see. I just moved 10 million honorarium to my Coinbase wallet. Very nice, Gary. Make a ChatGPT honorarium video. The kids love that stuff. I don't even know how to make a video with ChatGPT. You guys know how to make videos with ChatGPT? Because you should be doing that. Let's see. Dark Pro, she bought in it. 1032, right? I don't know who we're talking about right now. But, yes. I tried last year for a different reason and nothing to do with honorarium because it wasn't around at that point. And my YouTube account got banned for whatever reason. So I had to start a new one, which is wild. I can't believe Dark Bro's out there getting banned on YouTube, man. Dark Bro, stop doing that. What do we... Where's Gary? It says Gary's. Oh, there he is. Gary! 3 months member chat. Buy honorarium, you heathens. Yes, listen to Gary. Brian Searing. Thank you very much. Man, 2 supers in a row right there. Brian, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Brian says, need to pull up that PulseSwap chart. Oh, I know, dude. We were looking at it earlier, and it's wild, man. Something is happening. I highly recommend everybody does a little research and checks it out. I think this is going to lead the altcoins in the bull run. Brian, we were looking at this earlier, and you've got some wild gains going on in PulseSwap, man. Does it still show up at my bottom? Nope, doesn't show up at the bottom anymore. But let's take a look at this, dude. PulseSwap. All right. On the day, it's down 1%. Okay. It's pretty stagnant. No action, right? What are we going to do with that? Holy smokes, look at the week. You've got over a 100% gain on the week here. Load, load, load. 178% gain on the week. On the month, 280% gains. Just really over the last 2 weeks here. From December 13th, they got a nice little bounce and ripping up nicely here. That is nearly a 4x gain, man. Wow, and it was more than a 4x gain from the bottom of the valley here to the top of the peak here. But wild action going on in PulseSwap right now. A $15 million market cap, still relatively low. And I believe they hit like a $75 million market cap in this area. It's not going to show us here. I believe it was like a $75 million market cap in this area right here. But you could still more than double to get to this. It's almost a tripling. Was it a $70 million market cap that they hit at the peak? I thought it was. But nonetheless, man, coming back down a little bit right now, spiking up nicely. And we're going to have to see how that plays out. But yeah, dude, if PulseSwap breaks through this little level of resistance in here, yeah, it could be ripping back up to, I don't know, 90 points per coin, whatever it is, another 3x increase. So PulseSwap doing something very nice as well. Is Shiba Inu a good investment, or is it just a meme play? Well, so Master, I wouldn't consider Shiba Inu coin a good investment. Okay, I would consider it something much more of a meme play as opposed to actually investing. There are very few cryptocurrencies which I would consider actual investments. Some of the layer 1 blockchains that allow other coins to be built, Ethereum, even Bitcoin. Bitcoin could be considered an investment in terms of a commodity like gold. I know people say that Bitcoin is like the digital gold. And if that's what everybody believes, sure. But in terms of an actual investment, what are you investing in? What's the growth, right? With Bitcoin, we know it's scarcity, and we know it's a deflationary asset. With Shiba Inu coin, sure, no scarcity, but it is a deflationary asset. So you do have that aspect of it, but you're not investing in any sort of revenue, growth, and so on. Nobody's building on Shiba Inu coin. Shiba Inu coin is a huge community, but I wouldn't necessarily consider it like an active investment where you can sort of value Shiba Inu coin and then make a decision based on that value. Timmy! Thank you very much for the super chat. Saidu, I mentioned it before, the reverse split, and today I cashed out fat AF. The world found out about it today. Let's take a look at this. Is this a, this has got to be a stock, right? This has got to be a stock here. Cited, oh my goodness, dude. Oh my goodness, man. Oh, man. Look at this dude right here. This is a horrible graph, okay? This is a horrible, this is like a farmy level graph, man. I don't like this graph at all. Going at IPOing, going from basically $3,000 to $3 since 2022. Literally no growth whatsoever. Tim, I'm glad you're cashing out on this movement here. Didn't mean to click that button. I'm glad you're cashing out on this movement here. This is a huge spike up, but but all this company does is farmy level declines. So watch out for that. But very, very nicely done with this spike up here. A 163% gain at the close, ripping from $3 a couple of days ago all the way up today to a high of $15.40. So Sidus, Sidus Space, guys, doing very well today. It's up to you if you're going to try and chase it or anything. But anytime it's had some very nice gains like this, they very quickly disappear. So if you guys are going to decide to chase it, boom, just know that very, very quickly those gains are gone. And you don't want to be holding when it's sitting down here at $1 per share. So Tim, man, very nicely done on SIDU. Gotta be loving that. Made money in Shiba Inu by trading. Very, very nice. DDT 2024. And a lot of people, they've made money in Shiba Inu coin by trading. I believe Tim made some money trading Shiba Inu coin as well. And the volatility is there, right? We know that the major level of support around that 700 point per coin range up to the current resistance of about 1,100 points per coin has been a nice range that it's been trading in really for almost the entirety of 2023 here. Shiba will one day overtake Bitcoin. Oh, man. I don't know, Roulette Wheel, if Shiba Inu coin will ever overtake Bitcoin, but Shiba Inu coin one day could be at a level or a valuation above Bitcoin's current valuation. I believe that Bitcoin will continue to grow, but dude, right now, Bitcoin is the king of the space. I mean, it truly is, and that could obviously change. Right? If you go back 50 years and you're looking at some of the biggest companies out there, they might not even be around these days. So clearly that could all change very, very quickly. And we might be laughing at the fact that people bought Bitcoin up to $1 trillion valuation and Shiba Inu coin sitting at a $5 trillion valuation one day. But not right now, right? Not right now. It's not happening right now. Really will. Stop. Huh? He says, stop with the gas, man. Nope, I'm out. Tim, very nice, man. Something like Sidus or Sidus, however you say it. That would. I don't like that, man. That reminds me. It brings back traumatic experiences with Farmy there. I hate graphs like that, and I don't want to touch graphs like that. But if you ripped up today, man, I'm glad you stepped out of that one. Fatima, what's going on, Fatima? What do you know about BKYI? Fatima, let's check out BKYI. I'll say right now, I know nothing about it, okay? BioKey International. Actually doing well, dude. 18% of the day today, 17% after hours so far. Stock is doing very well. Let's see here. They must have reversed. Is this a reverse split? Let's see. News. Actually, what am I doing? I can just check out right here. Yeah. All right. 1 for 18 reverse split that took place there. And over the last couple of days, going from about 264 on the reverse split basis back up to here. Technically speaking, okay, I would watch out for the level that it's testing after hours right now. Okay. You look at this. And after falling off drastically from this level right here back in October, what do you notice? Ripped down, came up and tested this 450 area. Come down, come up, tested this 450 area. Coming back down, right back there, currently testing after hours this 450 area. If you go onto the hourly chart, you can see, right? That's the line we just put on the chart there on that daily. Coming up after hours, testing that 450 area. Every time since October, test, fail, test, fail, test. Now, if it does decide to break, the good news is you could basically see a 100% increase. You could see it rip up to $8, $9 here. If it fails again, you don't want to start chasing it right now. Get in at 450, and then next week you see it down here at $2.50, which is exactly what it's done the last 3 times. So just watch out for that. I don't know what they do or why they're up or anything like that today. But reverse split a couple of days ago, bringing it back up to this $4 range. $2 range really, and then the nice little rally that it's had over the last 2-3 days here is doing very well. But you just got to be cautious with any stocks like that. They constantly get rejected off of the same resistance level. When Welly's franchise? Soon, Pudgy. Welly's franchise is soon, man. Bitcoin is on its own level. Yes, it is. What do you think of Levi's? Scammer, fire token, money grab? Well, old boy Thug, man. I can't say that these guys are scammers, right? I do think that that some people are much more willing to just say and do anything and possibly, not really care. Just kind of literally say and do anything and not really care how they're perceived. So I don't know if Fire Token is some sort of a money grab or if he's legitimately trying to create some sort of a Bitcoin mining business. I know that he's trying to take advantage of the popularity that he's got in the Terra Luna Classic community. And if he's got good intentions, I can't speak on his intentions, right? So I have no idea what he wants to do or anything like that and what his intentions truly are. But I do know that it is a very big undertaking that he is trying to accomplish by having this Fire Token pre-sale, raising a bunch of money to literally start a business. We're talking a security now, in order to buy some Bitcoin miners and mine Bitcoin out of Canada, and then of course use that to generate income and to burn Terra Luna Classic. So, I don't know. I have no idea what his intentions are. Anytime you create a token, though, there's some level of money grab to it because you're creating a business, right? You expect the value to go up. You expect to pool people's money together, and you expect that the market cap to grow. Now, in terms of like grabbing it and running, I can't speak to that, so I have no idea. But yeah, very interesting, and I do hope that he's successful. But I only hope that he's successful if his intentions are good. Made $100 on Shib. It held $1 billion. Sold it. Got 1903 Solana. Not sorry. Solana have no scam Toshi and Lucy. Tim is right on that one, man. Tim timed the trade. I'm trying to think of an alliteration here to turn it into a tongue twister. Tim timed the trade, not terribly, tremendously. Tim tremendously timed the trade, right? Say that 5 times fast. It's probably not that good of a tongue twister, but nonetheless, it is an alliteration. Tim tremendously timed the trade. That is a fact. Swapping Shiba Inu coin for Solana at 1903, right? And then watching it rip 10x in value. 5x in value, right? 19 to, it's at $100 right now, not $200. Let's see. Blue chips growing investment? Absolutely, Brian. Thoughts on internet computer? Target price 200 to 400 the next. Russell, we can pull that up. Internet computer came out and basically just always went down. Now, it did have a legitimate market cap up in that area, so yes, it can get back to those levels, but I don't know if it will. That's very high. Liquidity providing on Uniswap has been incredibly lucrative for me. Very nice, Brian, man. Brian, I'm not too familiar with that. So I've never done that. So I have watched some videos on it, and I've navigated through, not on Uniswap, but on PancakeSwap. I've navigated through PancakeSwap to look at like liquidity farming and stuff like that. Share a little bit about that if you want. Write something in the chat. Share a little bit about that. It is something that I'm interested in, and other people in here might be interested in it as well. But it's not something that I can shed any light on because I don't really have any experience with it. So I would just be able to really kind of like skim the surface with it. But it sounds like if it's been very good for you, you could be doing us all a favor if you share some of your knowledge there. People getting all itchy to buy crap. They are. Roulette or Outdoor Smile, man. And when people get all itchy to start buying everything, that's how you know that the bull market is near, man. Wellies helping Shiba is a hoax. Like I say, DDT 2024, man. Maybe the intentions were there, but it never panned out the way that they wanted it to. So I don't know. It's a tough one. Brian, I'm playing defense stocks. See, you got a big contract when Elon shut down the satellite coverage for that country. I gotta be careful with what I say on YouTube. My latest Paul Ethereum pair is paying $1,000 a day on my 20,000 provided. It's insane. APR almost feels like stealing. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, if you're making 5% a day, Brian, and they're actually paying out 5% a day, run with it, my friend. Run with it. My latest Paul Ethereum pair. So, all right, I don't know where you're providing that. If you're doing it on, you said Uniswap? If you're providing that on Uniswap, man, and you're providing liquidity for Paul and Ethereum, and you're ripping 5% a day, man, I hope that it continues ripping that for you, and you're able to make a just massive amount of money. Shib just has to figure out ways to burn millions of dollars a month. When that happens, Shib will run much higher. Yeah, roulette wheel. I agree. So I would like to see more things similar to what I'm doing with Amazon, right? I would love to see that. Scalable and sustainable. Now, Amazon, clearly, I'm one guy. I can't share that link with everybody. I can only share it with the people who look at my Twitter account, my family and friends, and then the people who watch my YouTube videos. And I do share that with everybody. And the result over the last month, I think I started like at the very beginning of December, the result, and I see Dark Bro's thing right there, so I'm going to pull up this page so you guys can see it. And I'm going to say, Dark Bro! Thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, Honorarium is the future of cryptocurrency. We will set the standard for all meme coins and restore honor and integrity one transaction at a time. Nothing will stop us, for we are united in Honorarium, the brotherhood. Dark Bro, man, I like it. Thank you very much for the super chat. And you know what? Dark Bro is right, man. When you got projects that stand behind their word, when you got projects that do have good intentions, they may not rise like the pump and dump projects. They may not see mass marketing and just mass buying power, but they do have that staying power because the people who buy into them, it might not be thousands per day, but the people who buy into them have intentions of staying in them. So Dark Bro, man, very, very nice. Shiba Inu coin accumulated is 22 million. Did I refresh this? No, I did not. 23,904,284 Shiba Inu coin have been accumulated. Guys, I mean, I know that's not the billions that the SHIB ecosystem team has burned over the last couple of days, but this is the very first month, and the month is coming to an end. It is hopefully going to be around 25 million Shiba Inu coin, well, by tomorrow. So the payment should be released within 5 days of tomorrow. So I'm going to burn whatever that number is throughout December, and hopefully it jumps up a little bit. And by tomorrow or by the end of December, I should say, hits the 25 million SHIB mark. Could hit 30 million if you guys all share this link with somebody. But, dude, this is great because it's just a commission generated off Amazon sales. So the more people buy on Amazon, the more money it goes up. It'll never run out unless people stop buying on Amazon. But I know for a fact nobody ever plans on, stopping purchases on Amazon. So sustainable ways to leverage commissions, sales, and so on in order to burn Shiba Inu coin is phenomenal. So I do hope that we can continue on with that. I hope next month it's 50, 100 million Shiba Inu coin. I hope the month after we're doing $1 billion a month. I hope the month after we're doing $10 billion a month. The more people that use that link and the more purchases that go through that link, the more you're going to be able to burn. Let's see. Hello all. What's going on? Ken with 2 N's. What time of day has the cheapest Ethereum gas fees? Probably in the middle of the night when everybody's sleeping and transactions are at the lowest. Brian says, "Oh, I'm running. It's because all the volume. I'm making up such a big percentage of the pool that I'm getting a huge chunk of fees. Pretty much, you want to pair assets that are more stable with the one that isn't. So Ethereum being more stable and Zone being less stable, right? And the fact that you're providing $20,000 in liquidity there, you are making a massive amount of those of that percentage there. So Brian, dude, that's huge, dude. That is awesome. I need a Shib pillow. Roulette wheel. Go out there and grab it, man. Go out there and grab it. Can you ask Tether to print another billion, please? Why? Parka, why do we need another billion Tether? Could you look at BNB Tiger Inu? Price is 10.59 with 17 zeros. Yeah, BNB Tiger is one that has showed up on the radar before, and I know that it is extremely low. Let's take a look at it. Where we got here? BNB Tiger. This one? Is it this one or is it another one? Did you say BNB Tiger Inu? Is it this one? Nah, it's probably that one you sent me, right? It's probably this one. Is it the one with $4.7 million market cap? Or is it another one? I want to make sure we got the right one before I think that's it. All right. Yeah, this one is kind of hard to even look at on CoinMarketCap, though, because there are so many zeros that we can't even really see the percentage swings and stuff. So I don't know what's going on here, but, dude, if it's up 10,000% on the year, this would have been a massive, massive gain right here, and then sold right back off. So if that's the case, I don't know. This is so hard to see. You can't even differentiate between the zeros because CoinMarketCap doesn't go that far out. So yeah, if you guys, regardless though, this does have a very low market cap. So if you guys are interested in it, you would simply have to come out here, copy this Binance Smart Chain contract address, paste it over here into PancakeSwap, and then of course you would be able to buy as much as you want of BNB Tiger Inu. Total supply, self-reported circulating supply, 600 trillion, 800 quadrillion, 600 quintillion, 300, is it septillion after quintillion? What is the seventh one? No, sextillion and then septillion. I think there's 4 septillion coins. Is that what it's called when you get out that far? Trillion, quadrillion, quintillion, sextillion, septillion. I think there's 4 septillion coins outstanding. Is that number right? Dude, that's a lot. I don't even. That's more than there are grains of sand on the earth, man. That's more than there are grains of sand on the earth. Follow the money. Solana is done pumping. Time to move to Ethereum alts. Time for Shib to pump. Well, I don't know if it's done pumping or if it's taking a breather, man. But yeah, if that's the case, people. But I find it hard, Parka. I find it hard to believe people would be moving off of Solana, a gasless chain, to go pay Ethereum gas fees again. It almost feels like that would be a step backwards, you know? Let's see here. One by one, people will see that honorarium is here to stay. And by the people, meme coins should tremble in the face of honorarium, knowing that a project that seeks to end rug pulls exists. Yes, dude. I don't know if legitimate meme coins should tremble, but yeah, the fake ones should definitely tremble. Cybria, with Binance's interest, I could see its value increasing to $1 or $2 within a matter of weeks. Folks, don't understand that we're potentially talking about the next Matic in market cap. Well, Russell, yeah, I mean, I guess if you're looking at a 100x increase, I don't know if that's going to happen in weeks, man. You are talking 100x increase here in the next couple of weeks. That would be, well, it's not impossible, dude. You know, maybe that's really not impossible, because you look at Bonk, and this was a couple week period. So yeah, it technically could 100x in a couple weeks there. I'm not gonna say that it can't do it, because that's exactly what Bonk did. Goes from those market cap lows, market cap here, literally $10 million, $11 million. That's exactly where Cybria is at, $12 million, and Bonk ripped up to well above $1 billion. Look, Bonk's here, ripping up to $1.8 billion. That's exactly what you're talking about. 100x increase in Cybria if it has Bonk level gains over the next couple of weeks, man. So I can't say it's impossible. After that 30% whale drops out, I'm getting more. DDT 2024. Buy it off that whale, man. Buy it off that whale and become one yourself. Save everybody. Honorarium can be the first project to deploy into Paul Chain Dark Bro and ride that momentum. Sky is truly the limit, man. I got my bag ready. I like it, Brian. And you know what? Yeah, I'm pretty sure Dark Bro's been hanging out with some of the PulseSwap boys as well. So it is something that you guys could integrate together. Brian Bit is ready. We'll deploy and rock it, man. Heck yeah. Take a look at Lil Floki. It's up 290% in the last 90 days. Come with two N's. Lil Floki. Lil Floki. 7 days, basically no change. All right, now we're starting to see some movement here. 1 month, and dude, Lil Floki's got a tiny market cap as well. Lil Floki up 100%, and yeah, this is like a 5 almost. This is a 6x gain right here. That's a 6x gain. Almost a 7x gain. About a 5x gain from where it's at down here at the bottom in October to where it's currently at. But 6-7x gain to the peak right here. Yeah, dude, Lil Floki's sitting on $170,000 market cap, but showing some massive gains. 290% in the last 90 days. Ken, you buying Lil Floki on PancakeSwap? Yeah, you got to be buying Lil Floki on PancakeSwap. You're not going to be getting it on any other exchanges out there. Venezuela, Guyana is a bit scary. Should be bigger news and watched on the brink there. Yeah, Gorilla, I don't know if I missed something or what exactly you're talking about. I don't know what's going on with Venezuela. People have no idea what it's in store for Honorarium. If they did, they'd be in right now. And the ones who are know the potential. Heck yeah, man. Super small project and Welsh. Now, I think I saw Welsh on KuCoin earlier, right? Buying into that at the same time as Honorarium. Jacob Young, man, buying into both of them. Now, I saw Welsh earlier. Did I see it on... I don't know where I would have saw this. Is this on the BNB chain? I don't know where I would have saw this, but I remember seeing Welsh somewhere. Doesn't seem like that's the right one, but I mean, it could be. I don't know. Current market cap of the layer 2 sector is approximately 20 to 21 billion. Additionally, the total value locked TVL in the layer 2 Ethereum platforms has recently reached a record high of over 12 billion. This suggests that a $3.4 billion market cap for Cybria at $4 per coin. Russell, man, that is an absolute possibility. Okay, now nothing ever works out as it should, and nothing ever works out to be mathematically perfect. But yeah, I understand what you're doing there, and if it works out to the Ethereum average, then yes, you're looking at that level for Cybria as well. No, it's on small exchanges like Alex. Used to have STX to swap. I have to use STX to swap. All right, Jacob, got it. Is Binance burning on Omar? They should be. Binance should be burning Terra Luna Classic on January 1st. Brian Searing, thank you very much for the super chat. Brian says, won't be able to make it tomorrow, so just wanted to wish you a happy new year, Clay. Hope all the bros have a safe and happy new year as well. Brian, man, thank you very much. I do hope that you have a happy new year as well. I don't think that the markets are open on Monday. They're probably going to be closed for New Year's Day. So it'll be a weekend just like last weekend. We're gonna stream on Friday, and then of course Monday we should have a market closure for the New Year holiday. Brian, man, thank you very much for letting us know in advance that you're not gonna be here. We shall be here tomorrow. We are gonna have some fun here tomorrow. And Brian, thank you very much for that awesome super chat. Tim coming in hot with 5 green names to end the stream right here. Next Level says he's been rocking his bro hoodie all day. Thank you very much, Clay, and thanks Frank. Thanks to Frank, I absolutely love it. Next Level, very, very nice, man. I'm glad all you guys grabbed your bro merch. I'm glad all of you guys won. That's awesome. And Next Level, man, I'm really glad to see that you got that on there and you're enjoying it. Tim throwing out 5 green names. Megan got a green name. Megan, you're the one that just got the job in North Carolina, right? Megan, if you're in here, congratulations on grabbing that green name, and hopefully everything's still going well for you in North Carolina. Aaron got a green name. George got a green name. Canned Good Magic got a green name. And Super T 2024 got a green name. Thank you very much. Guys, even if you didn't get a green name, especially if you did get a green name, please say thank you to Tim on the way out. But because it is 5:02, we're going to get off for now. We're going to have some fun doing some shout outs on the way out. So make sure to get your name in the chat right now. We'll give you a shout out. We'll have some fun. And please say thank you, Brian, man. Thank you very much for the super chat. But please say thank you to Tim for throwing all those green names out there and making sure that Next Level and Commando Spawn are the only gray names in the chat right now. We got a shout out to Tim, man. Megan, enjoy your day. Tim, thank you very much again. Aaron, see you later. George, have a great one. Canned Good Magic, enjoy it. Super T 2024, have a great day, man. Gorilla, Next Level, Outdoor Smile. DDT 2024, have a great day. Gary, Commando, see you later. Outdoor Smile, have a great one. Super T, dude, I don't know what YouTube lets me say and what they don't, man. I'm just trying to avoid politics as much as possible. You guys understand what I'm saying, though. Let's see. Gorilla, have a great one. DDT 2024. We got Jacob Parka. Enjoy it, man. Old Rounder, Russell. Peace out to you. Brian, peace out to you as well. Honorarium for Dark Bro. Heck yeah. Ken with 2 N's. See you later, bro. Happy New Year to you. Brian, man. See you later. Gorilla Invictus V is trying to take over G, largest oil deposit in the world on the... Oh, okay. Gotcha. You talking about Venezuela? USAF already flexing for G down there. Brazil flexing for V. It could be oil plays inbound. Anyway, peace out. Yeah, it does sound like it would be crazy, man. People fighting over oil. That's about a tale as old as time, right? Warner Mackey, see you later, man. Nufo, Shiba, Inu, Puto. Nufo, man, have a great day. Next Level Tim, man, see you later. We got Omar, Whitreed, Geoped, Next Level SD, Parka, Ronald, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.